Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here. So today is my time to install iOS 12.5.7 on these two iPhone 5s. And so without further ado, let's get started. And also iOS 12.5.7 is out for the iPhone 5s and 6. Now let's go to setting, slide to the down, general, software update, and you will get this notes. iOS 12.5.7. It takes about 282.6 MB only. Now let's download and install on these two devices. So both of these my 5S is 16 GB. So now it's loading, preparing update for the white 5S, and still 4 minutes on the black 5S. And finally both of them are preparing update. It take quite long. So finally finish. Let's press the install button. Verifying update. And also it depends on your device and Wi-Fi too. And Apple logo loading update process. And we're done. So it straight away go to the lock screen. And of course it asks the password too. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for installing iOS 12.5.7 on my iPhone 5s in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Also, good luck.